before going home. 안녕하세요. 저기 참치마요 하나고요. 멸치볶음 그리고 스팸 마요 하나. 그리고 순대 포장하고요.
순대하고요.
예, 간 저기 조금만 넣어주세요. 예. 참치 마요 하나, 스팸 하나, 멸치볶음.
밥 3개?
네. 그리고 저기 순대. 우댕도 2개 포장해 주세요. While waiting for my husband, I'm going to prepare dinner. So I'll have snack first. So this is called kimbab, the small kimbab. This one is udeng or fish cake in Korea. And this one is sundae. Sundae, delicious. Okay, let's eat together. Okay, I'm going to eat, guys. I'm so hungry. So if you want, let's eat together. Okay, so this one is udeng. It's a fish cake with soup. And this one, kimbap, small kimbap. And this one is called sundae. It's sausage inside with vermicelli. Okay, so in eating udeng, there must be soy sauce, but I think this one is okay. It doesn't need soy sauce. But for sundae, you have to dip with the salt. Okay. Okay, let's eat. Bon appetit. Okay, kimbap. It is tuna with tuna inside and vegetables. This one with anchovy and vegetables. And my favorite, kimbap with spam. I chose 3 flavors. Let's try udeng or fish cake. Yummy. And sundae. It's with blood and vermicelli. You have to dip with the salt. So I put salt. This is liver. Tastes good. So I know you're hungry now, so when you come to Korea, don't forget to try this. Kimbap, udeng or fish cake, and sundae, which is winter food. Okay, that's all, guys. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye. Annyeong.